Hi guys, it's me Annie and I'm back with another video. Welcome to Annie's Creations. On my channel I do all kinds of cooking, crafting and DIY. So if you like that kind of content, please like, subscribe and join my channel. I would love to have you. For today I'm going to be cooking in my slow cooker. And Georgie is going to make lots of noise and we're going to make a delicious seasoned chicken and vegetable meal. So let's start cooking. This was the first time for me making this chicken and veggie meal in the slow cooker. It's a very nice meal for young children because there's no spice involved. But I do like a bit of spice. So at the end, I added some chili flakes and some jalapenos just to give mine a bit of more flavor. So if you like the spice, you can always add it in the end. You can also top it with some grated cheese. That's always good for the kids. They love it. Okay, hope you enjoy. Start by squeezing a 1/3 cup of fresh lemon juice and put that to the side. Chop up 3 medium potatoes and 3 carrots. Spray the crock pot with cooking spray. Place 4 chicken breasts into the crock pot. Add the potatoes and carrots on each side and top with some green beans. In a bowl, whisk together lemon juice, a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 teaspoons crushed garlic, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon oregano, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper and a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. This will be our seasoning. Pour this mixture evenly over the chicken and vegetables. Put the lid on the crock pot. Set it on low and cook for 7 hours. Do not open the lid during the cooking time. This will make a lovely chicken meal to serve on rice. After the 7 hours of cooking time, I remove the chicken to shred it. It is fall apart tender. Now I've shredded the chicken, I'm going to return it to the pot. Mix the chicken and the vegetables through. This is my plate of food. I'm serving it on rice. Delicious potatoes, carrots and green beans with chicken on rice. This is gonna be a lovely meal. I'll be topping mine with some chili flakes and some jalapenos, just for an extra bit of spiciness. I love spice. So this is all I've got for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. And as always, I will see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.